Hi everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. I'm so excited. This is most definitely, I was gonna say probably, most definitely the most fun box to open. This is brown paper packages. If you don't know what it is a bi-monthly subscription. It's a lifestyle subscription. So every other month you get this box and there's always a theme and it is so well curated, and the presentation, the wrapping of it, the unboxing process is just a blast. So I love everything we always get. I can't remember what the theme is. I will link it down below. So this is available in Canada. It actually comes from Canada, and it's also available in the US, of course, because that's where I am. There is a shipping fee. It's around $50 or $59. I'm sorry, I should know that by heart by now, but I'll leave it all in the description if you are interested in subscribing. I think it's so great. It's one of my favorites. Let's get it open. Like, I don't have much time. I'm going out of town. I'm like, I need to get this done. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, starting off with a bang. Fruit salad is the theme. Look at how it's wrapped in this beautiful like lemon. Oh my god, lemon paper. Oh, I love that. It reminds me of Italy. And then we have this little like extra goodie. What is this? Let's see. Let's untie it for when Emmy comes out. This is a little extra goodie. Let's see what this is. It opens up. Excuse me. Oh, it's a cute little like tote bag. Oh yeah, I love these. How cute is that? It's so small. Oh my, it's a little strawberry in your bag. I'll see if I can actually like get it all back in there. I think you just fold it up and push it in. But that's a cute little extra. Now let's get this open. And I will link them down below. Did I say that? Seriously, you guys, look at this. Like how it's wrapped everything. So the colors, I feel like my lighting's really bad today. I apologize. Now we're doing this in a hurry. So this is the June and July box. The theme is fruit salad. So you always get this little like brochure. It's a little pamphlet with all of the items inside, and it gives you a description, and then it gives you pricing. And just FYI, the pricing is in Canadian dollars. So yes, our gift to you, strawberry shopping bag. Cute, compact, and handy. Enjoy. Thank you. And I'm just gonna put this to the side. Let's give you, so I believe if you subscribe now, you'll get the next box. And the next theme is Wonder Fall. Oh, so it'll be a fall theme. That starts shipping September 1st. So that'll be like the August, September box. So let's get started. Should we start with this one right here? This cute little box. I'll probably open it from the top. It's like a little, reminds me of something. Oh, it has little packing peanuts in it. Just try and not make too big a mess. Oh my gosh. Here. We have some soap. I could use some Little Luxury Soapworks soap. Savant. Oh, I think it's like saying it in French as well. Ripe raspberry. I don't know. Oh, I can smell it. Oh, it smells good. Vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, paraben-free. Love getting stuff like this. It really does smell good. And raspberry, that's a fruit. Everything will be perfectly on theme. Just wait. So good. Let's move on to this next item here. Oh my gosh, it's a little dish. This is so cute. I'm so excited about this. It's a lime. Look at, so this is what it looks like on the outside. I love this. Oh my gosh, and I love the color green. This will look so cute. I have just bright colors everywhere. You can kind of tell. I'm looking a hot mess, and I'm about to go out. Well, I'm about to get my manicure done and then go out with my mom after, but so cute. Mani Petty, cute girl time. Look at this cute box. Like what? How can I reuse these? They're just so cute. So yeah, you can save the stuff, use it for wrapping. Let's get this. Oops, I'm trying to put all the cute wrapping stuff in one little pile over there. Even this you can, oh my gosh, are you serious? Look at this, is like a little like lemon wedge. And inside's a little lemon thing. What is it? Oh my gosh, it's a lemon lip balm. Lemon lip balm or lip gloss it says. This is so cute. I love this. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can get this wrapping open. Where's the little perforated My nails are long now, so let's see. Okay, good. I was gonna say if it's too much of a struggle, I'll wait. This is so cute. Yeah, it says lemon lip gloss. Let's take that sticker off. This is so cute. I'm putting this in my purse. Oh my god. It smells like lemon. Oh man, I love this so much. How cute is this? I'm obsessed. Oh, I can put everything I've opened in a little bowl so far. And then it looks like we have an item, wrapping an item. Is this a cute little scarf or sarong or? Oops, my bad. This is so cute. So yeah, you can use this to like as a wrap around you, like with your bathing suit. Oh my god, I love the colors. As a scarf. This is so cute. I love the colors so much. Yeah, I think I'll use it as like a cover up for the pool. What do they call it? They probably call it a scarf. Let's see. But you know, you can use things. Yeah, tutti frutti scarf. So cute. And then what was in it? Oh my god, all the lemons. This is seriously bringing me back to like Positano, Amalfi Coast, lemons. So this is just like a little cute container for the kitchen. Or I guess you could, again, you can use things however you want to. There's no rules. Okay, but let's see what it says though. A lemon canister. It's so cute. Yeah, you can use it in the kitchen or office. Perfect for storing your favorite treats, tea bags, or even small office supplies. Tea bags. I think that's what I'm gonna do because I have so many and do that in my kitchen instead of storing it away in like the pantry or whatever. This might be one of my favorite things so far. I like everything so far. And then next, Turkish Delight Fruit Explosion. Oh, is this a treat? Yeah, this is a little treat. Little like jelly things. I'm like, well, I can't describe it. This is so cute. These are probably really good. Awesome. I love getting treats. I normally don't get things like this for myself, things like sugar, but I always, you know, sometimes you deserve it. I did last night though. I got some wine. I got like some chocolate stuff for myself too. I stayed in last night. Orange You Amazing. Let's see. Did I tell you I'm studying Spanish? Oh, I think there's earrings in here. I don't know what orange is, but I know manzana. No, I do know orange is naranja or something. Anyways, oh my god, these are little cherry earrings. These are so cute by Royce and Oak. Look how these little cherry studs. I'll totally wear these. Oh my god, they're so cute and subtle. Like, not everyone would notice that you're wearing their cherries probably at first, but when they see them, it's so cute. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. And I love getting stuff like the strawberry daiquiri mix. So you just like add the alcohol, I believe. Yeah, it says, you can always make it virgin if you want to. White rum. I haven't had a daiquiri in a while. I probably will get like some sort of cocktail later, but I'm in a margarita kick. Okay, let's move on to the last item. You guys, this tissue paper? What can I bring my mom? Oh, my mom just finished her renovation in her condo and we're staying there for the first time tonight. Like first time since it's been done and it's pretty empty, but I should bring her a little like gift. Maybe I will give up the lime bowl for my mom. So, but what time is it? I'm leaving in like 10 minutes. And the little treats, even though I don't think she'll eat them. She's a health. Do you see how cute this like pineapple bag is, by the way? Of course, we have something by Stray Cat Cosmetics. Okay, sorry. Lipstick. Oh my god, I love their lipsticks. I have it in another shade. This is in Dreamy Peach. I'm so excited. So I love this company. They're always featured in this box, and they give some of their proceeds to animal charities. So, you know, I'm all about that. Helping the stray cats, stray animals, the shelters. And I like their formula. I can't remember what shade I have. It's like right over there. I have it about, yeah. I don't know why I'm pointing, you guys can't see, but I really do like it. Ooh, and this is like a subtle, like pinky shimmery. Oh, it smells good. It smells like what is it? Like butter. Not butter itself, buttercream. Why am I having such a hard time coming up with words? That's cute. What do I have on now? Oh, I just have a lip oil on. Look how shiny I look already. I just did my makeup. Can you tell? I'll have to check it out in the mirror, but I think I like it. I do have an oil on, so it's like not going on fully pigmented. But that was everything, you guys. I love this. Okay. We have the bowl. I'm considering in my head. I'm like, am I going to give this to my mom? Yeah, I should just give it to her. I don't know if it goes with her kitchen. I love the canister. I think I'm going to keep this. I don't know if they would be as excited. I should just ask her what she wants. We have the candies, the soap, the lip balm, the lipstick, the earrings, the daiquiri mix, the scarf, the little strawberry thing. This is so good. I love this box. This was so fun to open. I love it so, so much. So let me know your thoughts. And again, the theme for the next box is Winter Fall. I can't wait to see that. Can you believe we're headed into fall already? Like, what? Time flies. It's gonna be August in like 2 or 3 days. It's crazy. But anyways, I love you guys so, so, so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Mwah.